Hi, Frank here. Today we have to talk about setting your goals. Before you start a new project, you must be aware where you are going. What is your goal? Once you know your goals, you can also ensure that all the steps you are taking is going in the right directions. Now it's time to show you some leadership and management. Peter Drucker and Warren Bennett has defined it as leadership, doing the right thing, and management, to make things right. Two different things. In other words, it helps of course nothing that you are good to climb up a ladder, if it shows that it's the wrong ladder you are climbing at. So, the start of a new business can be divided into the following steps. Begin with the end. Set some goals and visualize them. Show some leaderships. Set some principles as well as values that you want to work after. Be a leader. You have to take the lead in the work that is coming. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. If you get afraid, then you lose the initiative and your business will stall. The most important things in business is that you're honest to other people, not to mention yourself. Be true to the value you have set and fight for your goals. Good luck with your prospects. To read more about what I am doing, you can follow my fan page and my blog. That's all for today. See you next time. Have a nice day.